Look at this thing. Pose, if you will, so we get a good size. Wow. Circuit City sucks. Here's the grand finale. Look at that. Each of these are filled with these. Oh, made in China. We blow up Americans. Stupid people buy stuff and they blow up. Shannon.
What do you call an American that has a PhD in physics and math? Stupid dumb American. Oh.
Wait. I got one. I want that now. I'll use my credit card.
Oh.
Hard to see.
How does this thing work?
What
Light
thing?
it and let it go.
Can I get a picture of that?
Just gonna throw it at the bonfire. Yeah, what's that yellow thing? Oh, it's a warning.
What is that?
Warning.
Another tube launcher.
Food through the water.
We've got, what do we have here?
It's gotta be a large case.
Thunderbolt rockets.
Which are full of these.
We've got the Mad Hornet.
I'm just kidding. No, I just peeled that back. You can see all the firecrackers inside of it. Dude, throw this in a fucking trash.
Who reads warnings?
Warning.
I'll bet.
Brandon,
Flammable.
I got a warning for you, man.
Throw it in a bonfire.
Do not light these while holding, and then throw them.
Do we speak from personal experience?
Yes. This hand could have been gone by these.
We told you last year. Those are M90s too. Those weren't M80s.
No, these were in the M90s last year.
Oh, hold on, wait.
The M80s are illegal, Holmes.
This is what Rob
don't
was.
do anything that's illegal.
This was Rob. This was Rob last year when he blew it. I'm so scared. I blew my hand. Oh my God.
Hey.
I'm sorry. I'd like to say I'm sorry. Okay. Cool.
Big roll of flour. I mean,
Did you get a good shot of the nose?
freaking few.
Okay. And that.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
That's out like tonight, man.
Is it out tonight?
We should all go see it really late if there's a showing.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, I called Stu.
Yeah, either that or tomorrow. Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow maybe.
Nope.
We don't do it tonight.
By the time we get done shooting all this stuff, we might
And
be
we'll go
walking, dude.
flirt with Easton Teeny Boppers.
Easton.
Reign of Terror.
Yeah, that's the big house.
19 multiple shots.
Is that what it is? 19?
Yeah.
Just can't wait till we launch all this good stuff.
I don't know, man.
It's gonna rule.
It's gonna be badass.
All right, I'm going back to the grill because I'm darn hungry.
Sounds good.
Little stuff. Okay.
Submitted for your approval. We have this. The wonderful Saturn rocket battery.
Ah, bullshit. Just go on with it.
Alright, cool.
Which we're launching at
I
dusk.
don't know. That's why we're launching.
This doesn't even qualify as dusk yet.
Oh god, okay.
Run, hell!
Go, baby.
We can't even see these things. Ow, I got hit. Cool.
Okay! We got the point! Anybody keeping track?
If they don't launch 100, we can get our money back. Sounds like Minnie Mouse on helium.
Dude, that was fast. It was. We're getting like 20 of those
right there.
I thought it was right on top of
Tiki torches. And that. See, it seems a problem focusing that quick.
Hey, Jason. Yeah.
Holy shnikes.
Oh my goodness. That was
Actually,
better.
we're doing it right now. Yeah.
Alright, we'll give you that one.
Oh, really?
Yay.
You should have seen it. My voice was about 2 decibels louder.
Yeah.
Hey, Jason!
Oh.
That would be sweet. What a fucking dude. Hey, wait. Wow.
Right. Woo!
So that's a good one? That's Jason Schwartz. Shut up, stick boy!
Injury already.
I like those ones that swirl around. Those were cool. One that kind of... What was that? Shut up!
Are we doing good ones yet?
Dud. Whoops, I lied.
Wow!
Yay!
Let's head that direction. I'll find Pickerington.
Woo! Fun! I love it.
Neato. I tried to invite.
They're noticing.
I tried to invite, Heather and.
Where's Erin?
Oh, don't even
No.
get. She's not even coming.
She's not? Oh, that was
No.
a shower.
Tree, yeah.
Woo! That was awesome.
I thought. Jesus Christ!
Oh God.
Alright, get out the band-aids!
Alright! Do it again!
How many tubes are that black
That
thing? How many
was-
tubes?
One of them's just online.
That was good. Maybe
One of
it's
them's
a
just
dud. Why
online.
don't you go find
You know,
out?
5x6, and the other one's got like little circles and weird stuff.
Woo!
Okay, that's a little more safe.
Someone probably thinks this is a gun phone.
They're probably watching actually.
These are loud enough.
Here. Oh, sorry, Brandon. I
No, that's cool.
didn't know you were right behind me. I like those ones. They kind
Those are cool.
Damn right, the whole damn sky.
Can you do that with that camera? Can you do manual?
Oh, we'll see if that works better.
Well, do you know how to focus it if it's on manual? Because if not, then you might as well just leave it on auto.
It's not
That's kinda
helping.
cool.
It doesn't have. It's doing the
What?
same thing.
Huh?
Okay,
Sweet!
take that and multiply it times 15, and that's.
Remember Jason's little bottle rocket launcher that he made what was it, last year?
There we go.
There wasn't.
The forgotten Roman candle.
This is like a 3 Roman candle.
Oh, is
3
it?
of them.
Oh, well, that's piss
Oh God.
poor.
Oh, come on!
No shit. Boo!
Well, we
You're
can
fired.
right?
You're fired!
We got it for free, damn it!
This is like the farting firework or something.
You were here for the one that, like, that one that he had, it's like 200 of those little mini ones. He mentioned.
Pow! That's like the White Castle of fireworks here.